Hi, this is Cheryl over at Rudy with Toyota in Golden Valley, Minnesota. And today we're going to talk about the 2021 Toyota RAV4 in the TRD off-road trim level. Now, there are several trim levels to choose from, but today we're really going to focus on the TRD off-road. Now, why would you want to purchase one of these? Well, sometimes it's hard to justify the bigger SUVs just to go off-road, so this is going to give you the opportunity for something more affordable and still get that fun adventure that you can going off-road with your vehicle. Now, this is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 203 horsepower. It is also an 8-speed automatic transmission. Now, this has dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive. And what does that mean to you? It's going to enhance your performance, stability, and control. Now, also with this, the TRD has tuned suspension. And that's just going to give you a better suspension when you are going off-road to just acclimate to whatever your conditions are. Now, I do want to touch that the RAV4 is the #1 selling small SUV in the United States. So let's kind of go over some of the features here that come specifically with the TRD off-road. So you're going to have the LED headlamps as well as the fog lamps. You can see the blackout grille and the Toyota emblem. It's going to have a skid plate underneath, which is going to be specific to the TRD. And you can see here you have your front sensors as well. We're going to come over to the side. I want to focus on the wheels here. This is a 6-spoke matte black wheel, and you also have a more aggressive tire with this. And if you look inside here, you can see the red trimmed coil springs. Now, looking along the styling here, this is going to give you a little bit larger luggage rack, and you can also look at different accessories available in our parts department to give you the adventure experience that you're looking for. So this also has a passive lock system, so I have the key in my pocket. You can have it in your purse or your bag. You can come up here and just pull the handle out, and the door will automatically unlock. Now, to go along with this outdoor feel, you're also going to have the all-weather floor mats in here. Now, you can look at the seating here. You have perforated leather. This one is equipped with heated and ventilated seats. And you can see the red stitching throughout. Gives it a little bit more aggressive off-road kind of look and feel. Up on the dash, you can see all the technology as well as the performance controls. We'll take a closer look on that when we get inside the cabin. We're going to move back to the back seat here. You can see there's plenty of room for passengers. You also have vents here for your passengers and power ports there. And one of the things here I want to show you is that these seats do recline down so that you can have more gear extended out. If you notice here, the seat belt is held in over here, so when you do put the seat back up, it's not going to get caught. We're going to work our way down to the back. Now, this does have a rear camera. This particular vehicle is also equipped with the bird's eye view, so you're going to have that whole surround vision view as you put the vehicle into reverse so that you can see if there's anything around you that you won't run into. You can see the black badging out here as well, and we have the power liftgate. Again, sportiness, plenty of room for your gear. You have the all-weather mats in here. The spare tire is located underneath, and the stowaway sunshade is in here to keep your belongings covered if you wish. Inside here, you're also going to have some additional power sources and ports there. And then this particular model also comes equipped with the JBL system. It gives you 11 speaker sound system in here. Now, you can tow with the RAV4. It will tow up to 3,500 pounds, so that'll give you some ways to bring along any additional gear that you might have, a bike rack, whatever it is you want to use. Now, you can see again the sleek styling that you have here. Right here you can see that you have your side blind zone alert as well. And we're going to go ahead and show you the inside of the cabin and go over some of the features in there as well as the technology. Now that we're in the inside of the cabin, I want to remind you that we are looking specifically at the TRD off-road trim level. Again, many trim levels to choose from, but I'm super excited to show you this particular one. Now, this is a very well-equipped trim here. We have upgrades, one of them being that we have the sunroof. We're going to work our way down to show you different options. This right here is the SOS button that is standard here. If yourself or somebody else on the road is needing assistance, you can go ahead and push that button. This has an auto-dimming rear view mirror, but it also has a rear camera. So you load it up with a lot of gear inside, you can still see out the back. Working our way down to the infotainment system, this has Apple CarPlay. If you have any apps that are compatible from your phone onto the system, you can go ahead and just program them all in there. Now, vent system here, and you can see there's additional storage on over there if you want to put your cell phone, anything else, a wallet that you might want to just store above there. Going to work our way down. You also, like I said, have the ventilation system. This right here has a wireless charging station, and then there's two power ports. One's a 12 volt and one's a USB. Now, this vehicle here is equipped with heated and ventilated seats, and you have the perforated leather with that. The red stitching in here is so cool to look at. Also with the red accents, I really am just impressed with this design that they came out with. So as you look closely here, you're going to see the different driving modes. You're going to have the economy, normal, sport. You're also going to have a snow. But also you're going to have here a mud and sand and a rock and dirt. So it'll be able to adjust the suspension and everything depending on what kind of terrain that you are on. Now we're going to work our way over to the steering column. This is a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You're going to have your controls for your cruise control here, your lane departure warning, as well as audio controls. And then over to the left, you're going to have your Bluetooth, you're going to have your audio volumes, and then you're going to have your adjustments here so you can look at the different information station in your cluster, such as your trip and fuel economy. Now, we do live in Minnesota in the cold weather. You are going to see that there's the optional heated steering wheel on this vehicle, which I absolutely love. It's probably one of my favorite features. If you find yourself wanting a small SUV with off-road capabilities, then the 2021 Toyota RAV4 with the TRD off-road trim level, that's the one for you. If you have any questions or I missed anything, again, my name is Cheryl. We are at Rudy Toyota in Golden Valley, Minnesota. Feel free to give us a call if you want to schedule a test drive, or you can look us up online at rudyluthertoyota.com.